Have you ever had the problem of an overcrowded inbox due to verification codes that are no longer needed? Luckily, iPhone now has an option that automatically deletes these codes after you use them, keeping your phone more organized. In this tutorial, I will show you how to activate this useful feature on your iPhone. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you're always notified of the latest tutorials. Now, let's get started with the process. First, go to the home screen of your phone, find the Settings app, and open it. Once you've opened Settings, scroll down a little and find the General option, then tap on it to open it. Once you're on the General page, scroll down again and find the option called Autofill and Passwords. Tap on it. When you're on the Autofill and Password Settings page, you'll see several options. In the Verification Codes section, you'll find an option called Delete After Use. Tap the switch next to it to activate it. Once you've activated this option, your iPhone will automatically delete verification codes as soon as you use them. This process helps keep your messaging app cleaner and more organized, without unnecessary codes taking up space. This way, you won't have to worry about old codes piling up, as your device will automatically remove them once they're no longer needed. This is especially useful if you frequently receive verification codes and want to keep your inbox tidy. And that's it for this video, friends. I hope it was helpful. If it was, just leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, I'll see you very soon in my next video.